Yes, my ladies and gentlemen, we are back this week with another piece of Majority tech in way of this Majority Elias soundbar. Now this particular entertainment speaker, it apparently has Dolby Atmos 3D surround sound, it has HDMI eARC connectivity, so you can control and play all of your devices with one single remote control. It boasts a Bluetooth 5.3 technology, so you can connect it to many different devices wirelessly, and this speaker reportedly has 160 watts of cinematic performance. But in case you're wondering, who the hell is Majority? I've never heard of them. Well, I'd be very surprised because they're an award-winning audio company that produced very good earphones and headphones, studio speakers, PC speakers, and cinematic soundbars, etc. Which, do you know what? We've actually reviewed quite a lot of their products in the past, so get subscribing and we'll certainly review a lot more in the future. Right, let's cut to an ASMR unboxing, shall we? Alright, let's cut that and do it again. That's better. So yeah, inside the box you should expect to receive the Elias Soundbar 2.02 Dolby Atmos, well, user manual, with clear instructions on how to set up, how to connect to your TV. Oh, and nice, we've got a free 3-year extended warranty. That's cool. Accessory wise, we've got quite a short HDMI cable. I can already see that batteries are included when it comes to the remote control. The remote, it is pretty slender in hand, with quite a few functions upon it. It'd be interesting to see what they all do. So we've got our 3D button just here. We've got your bass and treble controls, that's good to see. We've got audio equalizer modes too, such as music, movies, and news. Okay. I didn't know news was quite a factor when it comes to audio quality, but yeah. Let's shotgun load up the remote control with those 2 AAA batteries included. And I'll quickly show you guys the brackets that come with the Majority Elias soundbar. So basically we got these 2, simple metal brackets, there you go. The only bad thing is though, is the screws that come with these mounts. We seem to be missing, one set of them. Oh well, I mean, they're gonna be a couple of quid anyway, probably replace them real quick. And lastly, we've got the main power supply. It is good to see that the Majority Elias speaker does come very well protected in this Dell-like cardboard protective packaging. You get this lovely sleeve though that it comes in. And here we go, here's the Majority Elias Dolby Atmos surround soundbar itself. The main body of the soundbar and speakers, it is almost covered entirely with this full metal grille. You can just about see the speakers inside. If we do adjust the light, that is. That's a better shot just there. So we do have some speakers sitting to the top and to the front side. So when the soundbar is placed on a flat surface, or indeed up on the wall, those speakers from a distance, it will shoot up the audio at an angle. Well, it should do anyway. There is a physical control module just at the top. So obviously we've got the power on button, which actually has a real satisfying click when pressing it. Oh, nice. We've also got the volume up and down, which also acts as the previous and next track selections. So if you're playing music, when connecting this soundbar to your mobile phone, you can skip through those tracks. Now this last button just here, obviously, that's the mode button. You can switch between different connectivity options. And because there is a USB port to the rear of the speaker, we can connect a memory stick with a few music tracks already inserted upon it. Nice. If we do look at some of the other ports, we've got the auxiliary port just here. Again, we've got that USB port, we've got an optical connection, we've got that HDMI eARC connection too, and lastly we've got the DC power in port. So let's get a power brick, and let's go ahead and give this Majority Elias soundbar a real good test. Alright guys, so at this point we've actually been testing this speaker out for around about 13 days now. We've tested it on our TV while watching movies, playing music, and in fact doing a bit of gaming. But the first thing we'd like to push upon is their cinematic audio experience. Well, because those speakers do point up at an angle, when you're sat direct in front of the TV, at a distance of around about 10 feet away, you do feel as though the sound is being pushed over your head and around your ears. The surround sound system does recreate and does push out a wide soundstage with pretty good audio placement.
We can't take much more of this! find our sky. We gotta eject.
What?
We need altitude. Pull the ejection handles the second I tell you.
Wait!
Booster, there's no other way.
When watching those films, you did feel immersed, that is with wired connection, but when it comes to wireless connection, to be quite honest, there wasn't much if all any type of latency issues whatsoever. So with that Bluetooth 5.3 connection, it was fantastic when it comes to latency, and nope, we didn't get any diversion, and that is quite impressive, because the last thing you want is any type of diversions when it comes to you being immersed within the film that you're watching. Yeah. The only thing I would say about the audio clarity though, as much as it is good with films, when it comes to impactful bass such as explosions or in fact playing music, well, that bass isn't its strongest point, no.
You better watch out, I'm on the climb to the crown in my prime right now. Hear me loud, I've been speaking for a while now. I'm by myself, independent, I want now. Don't need no wealth, I've been beating out labels and money and budgets. It's funny, I do all the work, yeah, keep it 100. Fight for my dreams, I would die for these things. I believe in myself, I refuse to be weak, I like to build things. Empires out of buildings, I wanna leave a legacy of helping others find it.
In fact, when it comes to playing music, we found that we turned the volume down to around about 70%, as anything higher, those vocal ballads seems to have a lot of sibilance issues. Now, I've not really used this speaker for music though. I have watched quite a few films and TV shows using the Elias soundbar, and as much as I would say that yeah, you can use it for playing your favourite tracks, I just think that even if you have adjusted it via the remote control using that bass control function and turning down some of the treble, the bass is just not as impactful as I would personally like it. Do you feel more that the speaker is aimed at clarity than overall type of music quality? But because this speaker costs less than £100, I can't really grumble. I mean, I've had cheap soundbars in the past. I've had a soundbar that came with my TV system a few years ago that didn't sound as good as this one. So to be quite honest, less than £100, the Majority Elias soundbar, it does fit within a good price category. And when it comes to playing games, I think overall, yes, a gaming headset would be your preferable option, but if you just don't want the discomfort of anything on your ears, then this soundbar will suit your needs no matter which console you use.
Everyone, report in. Anybody have anything? Anyone?
Wait.
You hear that? Look, it's her! Over here!
Do get fantastic good Dolby Atmos surround sound. All the precise intricate details within games or films are pinpointed and pushed out of those speakers. And you know what, if I was to quickly rate this actual speaker out of my usual rating out of 10, well, when it comes to the design of the speaker, again, it has a premium look, it feels premium, quite heavy in fact. I do like that full mesh grille. Some might say it's got a minimalistic design, but I actually like the confidence in the speaker because it feels very much solid. So yeah, for the design, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. For functionality, loads of functions to have via the remote control. You've got those physical control buttons, you've got all of the ports and connections, fantastic. We are going to give it an 8 out of 10. I would have given it a higher score by the way, but that remote control, it doesn't have the best of signals. No, it doesn't. In fact, you've got to hold it and direct the remote control right to the center of the speaker itself. So yeah, an 8 out of 10 for functionality. For the audio quality, this is a hard one. Because the audio clarity in all is just above average, it is good with films, TV box sets, etc. But on the other hand, the music quality, you will have to turn the volume down to around about 70% to enjoy any type of music. And that is with any type of genres of music. We're going to give the audio clarity a 7 out of 10. For affordability, again, for less than £100, you can't really go wrong. 8 out of 10. With our overall score for the Majority Elias soundbar coming in with a quite reasonable 7 out of 10. Now, if you have liked what you've seen within this video, and you want to get one of these Elias speakers yourself, or even just quickly take a look at some of the Majority products on their website, well, I've left a link in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any type of way, but if you are interested, well, why not go get yours? But first things first, guys, quickly like and share this video wherever possible. Please support us by subscribing just now, bearing in mind to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our very next upload. Now, speaking of uploads, there's 2 previous Majority videos just showing on screen. Well, one of them is this one here, and the next one should be showing, well, it's just here now. Look, there it is. And if you're still here, well, why not wait for our very next video? Get subscribing. I'll see you guys very, very soon. In a bit. Peace.